Hello guys, in this video we'll discuss about what is machine learning. And before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let us start. Machine learning is a growing technology which enables computers to learn automatically from past data. Machine learning uses various algorithms for building mathematical models and making predictions using historical data or information. Currently, it is being used for various tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition, email filtering, or for example we will see Facebook auto tagging, a recommender system, and many more. If we see in the real world, we are surrounded by humans who can learn everything from their experience with their learning capability, and we have computers or machines which work on our instructions. But can a machine also learn from experiences or past data like humans does? So here comes the role of machine learning. Machine learning is said as a subset of artificial intelligence that is mainly concerned with the development of algorithms which allows a computer to learn from the data and past experiences on their own. The term machine learning was first introduced by Arthur Samuel in 1959, and we can define it in a way: machine learning enables a machine to automatically learn from data, improve performances from experiences, and predict things without being explicitly programmed. With the help of sample historical data, which is known as training data, machine learning algorithms build a mathematical model that helps in making predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning brings computer science and statistics together for creating predictive models. Machine learning constructors are used the algorithm that learn from historical data. The more we will provide the information, the higher will be the performance. A machine has ability to learn if it can improve its performance by gaining more data. Now we will see how does machine learning work. A machine learning system learns from historical data, builds the prediction models, and whenever it receives a new data, predicts the output for it. The accuracy of predicted output depends upon the amount of data, as a huge amount of data helps to build a better model which predicts the output more accurately. For example, we have a complex problem. We need to perform some predictions. So instead of writing a code for it, we just need to feed the data to generic algorithms. And with the help of these algorithms, machine builds the logic as per the data and predicts the output. Machine learning has changed our way of thinking about the problem. As you can see in the diagram, it explains the working of machine learning algorithm. Machine learning uses data to detect various patterns in a given data set. It can learn from past data and improve automatically. It's a data-driven technology. Machine learning is much similar to data mining, as it also deals with the huge amount of the data. Today, machine learning is increasing day by day. The reason behind the need for machine learning is that it is capable of doing tasks that are too complex for a person to implement directly. We have some limitations. We cannot access the huge amount of data manually. So we use computers, and here comes the machine learning to make things easy for us. This was all about machine learning. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.